Dear student, in this session we will learn the concept of timing analysis. By now we have learned that if we have a behavioral code, maybe in Verilog or VHDL, we convert it into RTL level and then gate level. While we are converting each step, we need to verify, and we have understood the fundamentals of functional verification, and we have also learned the test bench writing. While we are doing test bench writing and functional verification, we may have timing analysis, but we more focus on functional analysis. We assume that all the gates and all the interconnects are without any delay, and every event happening in zero time. So if that is the case, functionality wise the circuit may be okay, but we need to confirm that does the design meet a given timing requirement. So in a specification we are given a specific speed where our design need to work. So here we will confirm that does the design meet a given timing requirement. And the second thing we may consider is optimization of timing. So once the design is completed, we can optimize it for speed, and we can say that how fast this design can be run. So this is basically the concept of timing analysis. We want to do here timing verification as well as timing optimization. So in this session we will have a brief idea of in general timing analysis, and then the two different types of timing analysis: dynamic timing analysis and static timing analysis. After defining the dynamic timing analysis and little exercise on dynamic timing analysis, we will have major focus on static timing analysis, as dynamic timing analysis is very time consuming and it's a very slow process. In static timing analysis, we will first discuss here the gate and net delay models. Basically, in any logic design, we have two components, gates and interconnects. So we will look here what is the gate delay models and what are the net delay models. So this session basically will cover concept of timing analysis, introduction of dynamic and static timing analysis, and gate delay and net delay models. Thank you.